In the United States, a country known for its diverse religious tapestry, we see a rich mosaic of beliefs and practices shaping our society. From early settlers seeking religious freedom to present-day traditions, religion has played a central role in our nation's history. Christianity, the largest religion here, is just part of the picture. We also have vibrant communities of Islam, Judaism, Hinduism, and Buddhism, enriching our cultural landscape. Indigenous spiritual practices continue to be honored and respected by Native Americans, giving us a glimpse into our ancient heritage. In this diverse tapestry, we find common ground in religious freedom and tolerance. It's this freedom that allows communities to thrive and fosters dialogue and cooperation across religious boundaries. Religion remains integral to American identity, shaping our past, culture, and values. Together, let's celebrate this spiritual tapestry, embracing each other's beliefs and fostering unity in our diversity.